Hey, this is Matthew with Wichita HomeLink, where we buy houses in Wichita, Kansas, and the surrounding cities. I wanted to talk with you a little bit about the property that we're currently renovating here and the story behind it. So the people that sold us this house, we're currently living in it, and they had bought a property in another state that they needed to go and pay mortgage on and everything like that. They needed to sell their house fast. They had talked with a realtor prior to calling us and found out that they were going to have to do a lot more work to it to get it to a market ready sale. And they were going to have to pay a 3% commission fee. So they called us, we came out, viewed the property, gave them an offer that they accepted, and got them on their way. We closed within just a few short weeks, and they were very happy with the whole process and everything like that. We've actually got a video testimonial with them if you'd like to see that. I'll try to get it in a link somewhere in a description box or something for you here. Let's see, the house, it needed a little bit of work done to it, really. It needed new flooring, new paint everywhere, inside and out. It needed some siding repair done to it. It needed new cabinets, or new countertops, new backsplash. We've updated the bathroom as well. It's a really cool layout, and I really enjoy it. And it just goes to show that if ever you need to sell your house fast for cash, we're the people to call. We were able to help them out in a very quick and timely manner, and from their own words, they couldn't be happier. They said the process was as smooth as can be. So again, if you need to sell your house fast in Wichita, Kansas, give us a call at 316-258-0650 or visit us online at www.webuyhousesinwichitakansas.com and check us out. Thank you and have a great day.